Yeah, now one more question. Now, till now we discussed about real roots and equal. For real and equal roots, we taken that delta is equal to 0. Discriminant is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0 we took. Now we will discuss about one more condition, that is for only real and not equal. Real and not equal roots. For that the condition is delta greater than 0. So how we will solve that type of questions we will discuss now. I will give a question, and the question is, find the set of values of k. This is example 5. This is example 5. Find the set of values of k. Find the set of values of k for which the equation 3x square minus 2x plus k equal to 0, for which the equation 3x square minus 2x plus k equal to 0 has real roots. Has real roots. This is having real roots. So here I want to tell you one thing, that is, just a second, I will take new marker. Yeah, here I want to tell you one thing, that is, we know that what? We know that b greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. If I said the roots are only real, then we have to take b greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because 0 also real. I am not saying that equal, I am saying only real. If I said only real, find the real roots. If I said only find the real roots, you have to take this. If I said find real and distinct, you have to take this. If I said find equal roots, previous question, delta equal to 0, we have to take. Previous question, we discussed the delta is equal to 0 for real and equal. For real or equal to 0, for real and distinct greater than 0. Now the question is, find the value of k with the equation having only real roots. Here is saying real roots. Then we have to take delta greater than or equal to 0. So first of all, this is a quadratic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing these two equations, a value will be 3, a value will yeah, a value is 3, b value is minus 2, and c value is k, and c value is k. So comparing this equation with the quadratic equation, we got a, b, c values, but given this equation has only real roots, but given real roots, then condition is what? Therefore, delta greater than or equal to 0. Delta you can write d, whatever it is I told you. What is delta? Or d means what? B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Now what is b value? B value is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square minus 4 into, what is a value? A value is 3. And what is c value? C value is k. Is greater than or equal to 0. Now minus 2 whole square will be 4, minus 4 3 is 12 into k greater than or equal to 0. Now 4 taking that side, minus 12k greater than or equal to, taking that side, this will be minus 4, minus cancel. Now 12k greater than or equal to 4. 12k greater than or equal to, sorry, 1 minute. I'm taking this minus 12k that side. It is easy to solve you. Otherwise, you will get confusion. Greater than or less than. You will get confusion. That's why I'm doing. Take minus from that side. You will get easily. Otherwise, you have to change. You have to change the sign. So without changing sign, take minus 12 that side. It will be greater than or equal to plus 12k. Now write 12k first and 4 next. That will be 12k. This will be greater than less than or equal to 4. Always here 4 big, here also 4 big. Now taking 12 that side, k less than or equal to 4 by 12. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. So k less than or equal to 1 by 3. The values which are less than or equal to 1 by 3 all are solution. All are k values. So we can write here. So k is equal to, we have to write x belongs to, 1 minute. In set form I am writing, just follow this. The set of all these, no need to write that what less than or equal to minus 1 by 3 means minus 1 by 3 and then less than value 0, then minus 1, then minus 2, like that. You have to write up to minus infinity, but without writing that, we can write the solution set or the k value is equal to, k belongs to real numbers. K belongs to real numbers such that k less than or equal to 1 by 3. Such that k less than or equal to, yes, k belongs to real numbers. Always remember, every root should be real. That will be fraction, decimal, negative, positive, 0, whatever it is. But should be real numbers only possible for quadratic equation. Okay, imaginary will not possible. If you look at imaginary, no root. No root for that quadratic equation. Okay. So the value of k is what? Real number. How that will be? Less than or equal to 1 by 3. Otherwise, you have to write like this. Or I told you already, k is equal to 1 by 3 negative dash, 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 like that you have to write. I am writing like set 1 k is equal to minus infinity to 1 by 3 closed bracket. In these two ways, you can write any one of the way. Both are correct. Okay. Can you copy? See here, we have direct value k. If you get the value in terms of quadratic, same like in previous class sum, how you will get the solution, how you will get the value of k. Set of k, two values. That is next question I want to give you. That question, find the set of values of k for which the equation has real roots. I told you, if the question having with only real roots, you have to take greater than or equal to 0. And the question is, find the set of values, that is example 6. Find the set of values of for k. Find k. For the set of values which the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 2 is equal to 0, having real roots only, having real roots. So we know for real roots delta greater than or equal to 0. First of all, comparing with the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is a value is 2, b value is k, c value is 2. So a value is 2, b value is k, c value is 2. But 1, that is equation 1, have or has real roots, has real roots. Therefore what? Delta or d greater than or equal to 0. That implies what? B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So therefore what is the value of b? K square minus 4 into what is a? 2 into what is c? Again 2 greater than or equal to 0. Now k square minus 4 to the 8 8 to just 16. Minus 16 greater than or equal to 0. Now taking 16 that side, k square greater than or equal to 16. Then k is equal to what? K greater than or equal to plus or minus 4. Why? Because you got root 16. Root 16 will be plus or minus 4. Why? Because this is a quadratic equation. We should find two roots. So one is plus 4, one is minus 4. So we can write what? One value of k which is greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 4. Remember, if you will get like this, k square is positive, then you should write k greater than or equal to 4 and k less than or equal to 4. If the coefficient of k square will be negative, then you will get what? K square, and the value of k will lie between 4 and minus 4. Okay, now the value is what? K value greater than or equal to 4 means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to infinity. The k value less than or equal to 4. Just a second. ఇంకంత ఎట్లా పడుతుంది కదా చూడవా okay, yeah, k greater than or equal to 4 and k less than or equal to minus 4. Minus is there, minus 4 is there. Now k greater than or equal to 4 means what? K belongs to k belongs to 4 to infinity. Infinity open, for 4 closed, and k belongs to here minus 4 to minus infinity. Minus infinity open, minus 4 closed. 4 is there, minus 4 is there, and the between values not there. That is, after 4 exists, before 4 exists, 4 minus 4 exists, and 4 exists. The values between minus 4 and 4 not exist. Therefore, we can write the set is set of what? K is equal to k belongs to real numbers. K belongs to real numbers. K 4 to infinity, minus infinity to minus 4. You have to write like k greater than or equal to 4, k less than or equal to minus 4. This is one method, and one more I told you are 4 and after 4 exist, minus 4 and before minus 4 exist. Thus we can write k equal to, first I am writing negative. Negative what? Minus 4. K less than or equal to minus 4. Minus infinity to minus 4. This is closed, this is open. Union 4 to infinity. Infinity open again. 4 is closed. Why? Because 4 include, minus 4 include. Minus infinity not include. Infinity not include means exclude. And between values also not include. Minus infinity to minus 4 okay. 4 to infinity okay. But between numbers not okay. That's why we can write minus infinity to minus 4. Close bracket union 4 close bracket to infinity open bracket, or one more way also there. K belongs to, you can write here also, belongs to real numbers. K belongs to all real numbers minus a minus 4 include na, so write open minus 4 comma 4. The meaning of this is real numbers all are exist minus real numbers minus, we are subtracting some numbers from real numbers. Which numbers are not satisfying this k value? What they are? After minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, up to 3. And 4 not exist. 4 is not taken. Why? Because 4 is exist, which is included in the solution. So that's why we can write like this or like this or like this. Any one of these 3 you can use, you will get solution correct. See, once again I am telling about this last one. We can write this is, we are writing new real numbers all are exist for k. except what? After minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, up to 3. Again 4 exists. That's why open. Open means we can't take this 4. Open means we can't take this minus 4. After minus 4 we can take, before 4 we can take. Those values we are subtracting. Same here also. Minus 4 is exist, but after minus 4 what? Minus 3 not exist. Minus 3 not exist. Minus 2 not exist. Minus 2 not exist. Minus 1 not exist. Minus 1 also not exist. Why? Because we are subtracting minus 1. And here also 0 not there. We are subtracting 0 also. 1 not there. We are subtracting 1 also. 2 not there. We are subtracting 2 also. 3 not there. We are subtracting 3 also. 4 is there. We are not subtracting 4. Why? Because open bracket is there. Or you can write like this also. K belongs to or K equal to R minus flower bracket. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 0, 1, 2, 3. So these values are not satisfying this K value. That's why we are subtracting from real numbers. Except all satisfying. See, minus infinity, minus 4, okay. 4 to infinity also okay. But middle numbers are not okay. That's why we are subtracting from all real numbers. Those 7 numbers which are not satisfying, we are subtracting from real numbers. So this is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is also correct. What you want to write, you can copy that, or you can copy 4. Okay. Hello. Yeah, right.
Sir.
Questions fast. You have only
Sir.
4 minutes. Find the value of P. Find the value of P. This is example 2. Find the value of P. If the equation, I'm giving the question also shortcut, okay?
Sir.
If the equation, write that equation, x square plus p minus 3 into x plus p equal to 0 having equal and real roots. Equal and real roots. Okay. Next question, example 3 completed. Example 4. Find the value of P. Find the set of values of P. Find the set of values of P. Find the set of values of P. Find set of values of P. For the equation Px square minus 5x plus P equal to 0 having real and equal roots. Having real and equal roots. That is example 4. Example 7. Find the set of values of K. Find the set of values of K. Find the set of values of K. Find the set of values of K of the equation Kx square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0 having real and distinct roots. Real and distinct roots. For real and distinct roots, I told you to take delta only greater than 0, not equal to. Only greater than 0, I told you. For only real, take greater than or equal to 0. Now, discuss the nature of the roots of each following equation without solving. Discuss the nature of the roots of following equations Discuss the nature of the roots of the following equations I am giving. First one, if you have any doubt, ask me tomorrow in class. I will explain you. First one, x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to 0. Second one, 6x square plus 7x minus 10 equal to 0. Third one, 25x square plus 30x plus 7 equal to 0. And fourth one, 15x square minus 28 is equal to x. Fifth one, 16x square is equal to 24x plus 1. Sixth one, 2x square minus 2 root 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Seventh one, 2x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Eighth one, 2x square minus 5x minus 4 equal to 0. Ninth one, 5x square minus 13x minus 6 is equal to 0. Tenth one, 9x square minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 0. 11th one, 3x square minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. 12th one, x